Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about Clary sage essential oil. Clary sage is a flowering plant native to the Mediterranean region. Clary actually comes from the Latin word clarus, which means clarifying or cleansing. It's like saying that this oil has the power to clear and clean. Pretty cool, isn't it? Clary sage essential oil is a highly concentrated, strong scent with relaxing, calming, soft, sweet, floral, earthy, fruity, and nutty tones. Although Clary sage oil is largely used in the flavoring of food, beverages, and making perfumes, it has been especially known for its medicinal properties since centuries ago. In alternative medicine, it's quite popular as the woman's oil, due to the numerous benefits for women's health in relation to menstruation and menopause. But wait, that doesn't mean men can't enjoy the benefits of Clary sage essential oil. Clary sage oil is actually very good at boosting testosterone levels in men. Interested? Keep watching this video to know more. Please like, subscribe, and share for more great tips to get yourself healthier. If you happen to find something useful for your life in this video, this would mean a lot to us. Clary sage essential oil is generally safe for most people, but there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. If you are new to Clary sage oil, it's best to start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. A patch test on a small area of skin is recommended. If you have an allergic reaction against Clary sage oil, stop right away and go see a doctor, pharmacist, or allergist as soon as possible. They'll figure out what to do next. 2. Before you start using Clary sage oil for healing purposes, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor first. They can help you decide if Clary sage oil is right for you and if you are using it safely. This is especially recommended for those with health conditions such as diabetes, cancer, blood pressure problems, epilepsy, heart diseases, peptic ulcers, liver damage, and hemophilia. 3. Clary sage oil is a uterine stimulant, so it is unsafe for pregnant or breastfeeding women. 4. Clary sage oil may potentially react with certain drugs, such as diabetes or anticoagulant medications. 5. Clary sage oil may be a great help to your treatment plan, but in most cases, they're not going to be a replacement for any medication or prescription your doctor has given you. So first, how do we use Clary sage essential oil? 1. Diffused into the air. To diffuse Clary sage oil, add a few drops to a diffuser with water and turn it on. The oil will be dispersed into the air where you can inhale it. Diffuse Clary sage oil in your home or office to create a calming and relaxing environment. 2. Apply topically to your skin. Make sure to dilute Clary sage oil with a carrier oil, for example, jojoba oil or coconut oil, before applying Clary sage oil to your skin. You can also make dilution by adding a few drops of Clary sage oil to a bath or massage oil. 3. Taken internally, add a drop of Clary sage oil to a glass of water, or you can also take it in capsule form. It is very important to use high-quality Clary sage oil for direct internal use. Also, it should only happen strictly under the supervision of a trained and qualified healthcare professional. There are quite a wide range of benefits when it comes to Clary sage essential oil, including 1. People believe the seeds of Clary sage could help keep your eyes healthy and make you see better. 2. Clary sage found its way into natural cosmetics because of its ability to soothe skin. Clary sage oil is a natural remedy that can also be used to heal acne, wrinkles, and cellulite. It works by boosting collagen production, which helps wounds heal faster. Clary sage oil is also a powerful antioxidant. This means that it can protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to premature aging. Clary sage oil helps to neutralize free radicals, keeping your skin looking young and healthy. If you have sensitive skin, Clary sage oil is still a great option for you. It's gentle and won't irritate your skin. 3. Clary sage is very popular in the world of perfumes. Its fresh, grassy scent with a hint of flowers makes it a great choice for both men and women. In men's perfumes, Clary sage is often paired with other manly scents like bergamot, lavender, and cedarwood to create a more complex and sophisticated fragrance. It can also be blended with more intense and spicy scents like black pepper and ginger to be bold in smell. In women's perfumes, Clary sage adds a touch of freshness and femininity. Pairing it with other floral scents like rose, jasmine, and ylang ylang can create an even more feminine fragrance. Clary sage can also be mixed with more exotic and fruity scents like bergamot and grapefruit for a more playful and energetic aroma. So, whether you're looking for something masculine, feminine, or somewhere in between, Clary sage is a versatile ingredient that can help create the perfect scent for you. 4. If you're a woman and you're having some uterus-related issues, Clary sage oil can be a great choice for you. It can help relax the muscles of the uterus and cervix. This will ease menstrual cramps and labor pain by improving blood circulation. Clary sage oil is also great for regulating your menstrual cycle, balancing your hormones, and relieving symptoms from premenstrual syndrome. 5. Clary sage oil triggers the release of testosterone and therefore increases sexual desire in men. To improve the testosterone level, you can combine Clary sage oil and healthy diets with exercise if you happen to struggle with low testosterone. 6. Clary sage oil can relieve headaches, migraines, and muscle cramps. 7. One of the most exciting things about Clary sage oil is it makes you calm down and relax effectively, which is great for reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. The way it works is by lowering your cortisol level. Cortisol is the stress hormone, and when it's high, it can cause many mental and physical problems. In recent studies, Clary sage oil brings the cortisol level down, making you feel more chill and at ease. 8. Clary sage oil has antimicrobial activity, so it can be used to kill harmful bacteria. This makes it great for treating skin infections and other bacterial infections. That's all for today. What else do you want to know more about Clary sage essential oil? Thanks for watching. Until next time, always stay active, healthy, and always happy with aromatherapy.